Hello, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_ lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the very fun Air Selfie Air Neo. It's an AI-powered Autofly camera that has a 12 megapixel camera and that records up to 15 seconds of 1080p video. Now it says it was shown at CES 2022, and I actually saw it in person at CES 2022 at an event called CES Unveiled. And here it is. Here is the Air Selfie, the Air Neo right here. Here's the camera on the front, right there. And the power port on the back has a USB Type-C. There's the power button. And the power button actually can tell it what to do and how to fly. So there's different button presses that you can do. And of course, here are all the different fans. And with the kit, you get extra fans in case something happens to them, extra blades. Here is the charging cord. It's USB Type-A to USB Type-C. And then as an optional item, you can get the Air Selfie power bank. This is 5,000 milliamps. You get two USB-A ports. This is a faster charging port than this one. And this is USB-C. And there's a button on the side that shows charge level. So the 4 dots means it's full up. And it has a micro USB port on the side so that you can quickly charge this battery with that. Information about how fast it charges is right here. That'll be in the description of the video, but there it is, 5,000 milliamps to recharge the Air Neo selfie drone. And this is AI powered, or you can control it with their app for Android and iPhone. Here's some information in here about the drone. There we go, right here. You can pause this anytime and take a read. So there's that. Okay. And then some more information about the drone specifics. So, as I mentioned, 12 megapixel, 1080p video. And then here's some more information which will be in the description, but you can pause the video if you'd like and take a read. We like that it has USB Type-C charging, and there is a battery inside that lets it fly for about, 10 minutes or so. It's not too long, but you can get some selfie photos with the group and some selfie videos, and it will land right back in your hand as well. So when you turn it on, it will start blinking, and then it's ready to go to connect to your iPhone or Android. Uses Bluetooth and Wi-Fi to connect, and the app is actually pretty easy to use. I've used it before. So this is just the unboxing of this, and we'll show this in use as well in a separate video here on YouTube and on Instagram. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up. And how cool, a selfie drone. You can use this all year long to take pictures wherever you go. And some quick information about the battery right here. And, of course, that will be in the description. So make sure you get both the power pack, because you will have to recharge this after using it a few times.